know that the Asafotufiami festival is one of the most popular festivals in Ghana?
Welcome to Know Your Hood. Please subscribe, like, comment and share to get notified of any video we post.
The people of Adan celebrate the Asafotufiami festival, which takes place in the first week of August and lasts for a whole week. This year's festival is scheduled from July 30th to August 4th, 2025. We are here ahead of the festival to see how the people of Adan are preparing for this grand celebration. Guys, let's enter into the town and talk to the vendors and individuals to see how they are preparing towards this festival.
Okay, so I'm Panda, and then we are from Nungwa C5.
From Nungwa C5?
Yes, please. We have been coming here on every festival occasion. This is Mabel's Pub and then 2 a.m. sound. So we are here at Adan Asafotufiami. And then we are doing arrangements for the Asafotu festival, which will start on Thursday to Monday evening.
What have you seen in the town about preparation? What is going on so far?
Oh, so far so good. Everything is going on well. And then, as you can see from the lane to the center square, that is the main headline, brand headline for the Asafotu is Unia TV. So they are also doing their arrangement, and then they'll bring their crew members and other stuff. So the town will be very nice. There are other food bazaar, cooking competition, and then other stuff going on. So I urge everybody to at least come around to come have the experience.
Okay.
But it's a nice thing to watch.
Thank you, Banda.
One of the best festivals so far.
So far?
Yes.
So if you compare Adan to other
oh yeah, it's nice. Talking about culture and other things, you know, the variety, the level of the Adan festival. So it's one of the best festivals in Accra.
Hello, me Kwame. Ye Ghana na lehambi stay. Ijwani community center. Asafu belong china belong minaka. Emi ma wa pedaji anu wafia. Echo kesu belong po ni bema. Say no na Asafu chechele wafia. Corona fair never butwe. Obi a ofu Kumase kofo bia mombra edi Asafotu 1st August obi ambra no me hwa Asafotu ada. Your friend 60.
You tell me the preparation towards the festival this year.
I'm Victoria, and this is my 4th time visiting the Adan Asafotu Festival, and it's always nice to be here. Today is the 9th of July, but I can see people are coming in. Mostly the festival starts on Friday. That's when the main program starts, but usually before the Friday, we see a lot of people in town coming to sell, and then basically it's selling those who sell that come early before the whole thing starts. And I'm equally here to sell my goods. This is Victoria Closet. I'm just opposite the base with Adan.
Okay. It's all about the Asafotu festival. You understand? But from Tuesday, this place is quiet. People will start coming from the evening going to tomorrow.
So tell me about what you are here.
Oh, I'm here to sell. Mostly because of the beach and most of programs that goes on. We are here all to celebrate. Yeah, I'm also coming from here, Manada.
Anadan.
Yes, please.
We could show you.
Oh, you just told me copy. Yes.
Oh,
that be away.
That be away. Okay. Is it your first time selling here, or you've been coming?
Oh, I've been selling here for 10 years now.
10 years now?
Yeah.
So tell me the business aspect.
Oh, it's very good.
Yeah.
Because they patronize what I sell. Anything.
Okay.
They patronize it, so.
Okay.
Yes,
what's your expectation this year?
Oh, it will be very massive.
More than last year?
More than last year.
Are you sure?
What I'm saying it will be very massive is the ending of the month. You understand? So after you take your pay, you are coming to chill. So it will be very massive, and I'm sure people will pull up.
People really come here.
Thank you for talking to us.
Thank
We
you
appreciate
too.
it.
My name is Haji Success. We are representing First Case Pub in connection with Asafotufiami Festival. We go for other programs, but I know this one is going to be a mega one. Asafotufiami is going to be a mega one. We sell drinks, we sell food, we do cotton candy, we sell ice cream. So anything you want, just come to First Case Pub. We are here. You will see
Your flyer. Waiters.
our waitress. You meet our nice waitresses. You will see our strippers and all that. So yes. You can see we are preparing our cabin. Ada Asafotufiami is very known, is well known by a lot of people. So we are expecting people in their masses. So please tell a friend to tell a friend. Come in your numbers. But when you come to Ada Asafotufiami, look for First Case. The name is First Case Pub. Yes. We are located behind the community center.
Yes. My name is Ben. I ride motor Okada.
So, Charlie, we are down Asafu Festival again, 2025. Yeah. What are your things ahead of the festival?
Oh, the festival, we didn't decide, but how now things is going on.
Yeah.
We can't compare to the last year. Maybe this one there, we don't know how it will go. Maybe we don't know this one. We go fit go on past the last one, or this one will go on.
Right. Yeah. So, how you they prepare for the festival?
Oh, the festival,
you and your boys, as you say, Charlie, everybody jack up for here.
I swear,
big ups to everyone.
Easy.
Yeah.
You know, be easy.
So how you guys prepare for the festival?
Oh, the festival, we prepare by be the money. If you get the money, you gym your pocket, everything will go on.
If so. As you say, they look some flyer. If you tell me about.
Oh, it be Sobi. We go start from Kase, the main station. We go start from Kase, the main station.
Make us see what. So what be the Sobi?
The Sobi, no, the explanation we say, we go like we welcome the people that attend the festival. We welcome them.
Okay.
Achem ko click again.
Okay, we're expecting on a festival. No.
Expecting can name na maba au gwa jom keba. Na kuba pegi di you do.
Okay. So, Oklika. Open. Thank you. Nice one, Charlie.
Yanya club ba ikaba Asafotufiami festival. And this festival is not only festival, but it be the biggest festival ever for the whole Ghana. So come make we celebrate them with peaceful and unity. Yeah. Like over here Source City Lodge. Like tomorrow we get some program for here, some homecoming for here. So come then we celebrate them. Come in your numbers, then we celebrate them massive. So come to this Asafu where you want to chill out. Come to Source City Lodge. Then you go party to daybreak. We day here active. Yeah.